Today I'm going to show you how to do flat iron curls. So, flat irons. If you have fine to medium textured hair, we're going to want to go like medium heat on the flat iron. For thicker, coarser hair, you can pop that heat up a bit more, but you really don't want to have it full heat. Now we're going to start with the heat relief, which is going to protect our hair from the flat iron, which is really important. I'm just going to mist that through. Like 3 or 4 sprays per side. A little comb. Now, if you have more hair than I do, you can section things out a little bit. Because my hair is fairly fine, I just go at her all at once. So, the thicker the section of hair, the bigger the curl you're gonna get. The smaller of the section, the tighter curl. So we're gonna go about a medium-ish section. I like hitting it kind of vertically. Give it one good twist, and then we're just gonna pull out away from your head. There we go. And I'll just continue that around my head. So one good turn, and then just slowly pull that straight out. You really want to keep things moving as you're pulling the flat iron down. If you let that sit in one spot too long, you're going to end up burning your hair. And then today we're doing them all away from the face, which I do find tends to be the easiest. If you have a problem with your hair clumping together, it's a nice idea to do one away from the face and then one towards the face. Pull that straight back. Then we're going to take our air control and just hit that one side with a bit of that. And then we're just going to continue that all on the other side. This section there. Twist and then just pull back. I find because I'm right-handed, the left side tends to be easier. The right side is a little bit more challenging. Front piece one more time. little spritz of the air control, which gives us a nice hold. It doesn't make anything really crunchy. Brush them out if you want, or just leave them the way they are. There we go. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the products in the description box below.